What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to redeem a code in Honor of Kings. So, in order for you to redeem a code in Honor of Kings, you need to access a few things here. So, the thing with Honor of Kings is before you can redeem your code here via the app itself, but they moved this, so you need to access the official website. So, you want to access any browser here, go to Honor of Kings or .com, or you can just search Honor of Kings here and look for the official website here. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now at the top right, you want to go and click on the 3-bar icon here, and you want to look for the Exchange Center link. Now it should open up this section here. Now what you need to do is you first need to log in into your account. Go ahead and click on Login and provide your login credentials. That includes your email and the verification code for that email in order for you to log in. Now, you could also use your password login here if you want. But once you've done that, you could go and just enter the exchange code here and click on exchange, and you should be able to claim or redeem your code. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.